Hello guys, I'm just gonna go play with my dog. Like always. Hey, come here. I wanna play with you. Come on. Come here, you silly person. Oh yeah, grab a piece of plastic. Yeah, you want this? Take this. You're supposed to grab it. You're supposed to grab it. Hey, crazy dog. I never even threw it. Look, it's not over there. Yeah. Rocks. If you want these, sit. 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 Good boy. Lay down. Sit. Sit again. Sit again. Good. You silly munchkin. Silly munchkin. Look at this face. Just look at this face. Look at him. So psycho-ish. I'm weirdish. And sometimes you act like a bad sport. Because we play tug-of-war, right? You cheat. You bite my hand and then you grab it away. Cheater. Do you want me to grab this? Look, he bit the arm off. Psycho. Hoop. Oh, if you never go on Netflix right now and watch the TV series Zoo, it's really good. I only watched the first episode. Or How to Train Your Dragon Rise Book. Fetch. It's supposed to go like fetch. You're supposed to grab it. Dash. Dash. Supposed to grab it. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Dash. Dash. Look at me. Look at me, dash. 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 Good. You wanna go play soccer? Yeah, let's go play soccer. Come on. Come on. Let's go play soccer. So I went camping a couple of days ago, and I went to the lake, and I found this ball, and he loves it. Dash. You want to see the ball? Look, the ball. I might have stepped in poop, but these aren't my shoes anymore. Look, play. Play. Oh! Yeah. Bite it. Yeah. Soccer master. Look, I'm trying to take it away from him. Dad. Can I grab it away from you? Took it away from you. Bite. Hey, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna pass it to you. Heads up. Go fetch. You're supposed to fetch it. Just walk away over there. Run or walk. Or the old man walk. Or old lady walk. Who knows? You usually do the old man walk. Dash. So, yeah. Sorry to tell you that. You're like an old man. For a 7-month-old dog. A boy. That's why his name is Dash. Oh, I'm done playing with you. Because you're not really playing. Bye.